Good morning, student of class 9. Today our topic is polynomials, and we are studying here exercise 2.2 factor and remainder theorem. Now this is a problem for division. This is an equation 3x cube minus 4x cube minus 3x minus 1 and divided by x minus 1. So x minus 1 divide 3x cube, 4x cube, 3x and 1. X divided 3x cube, but with 3x cube divided by x, then it will become power 4 minus 1 become 3x cube. Put 3x cube here. 3x cube multiply by x. 3x cube multiply x makes 3x 4. 3x cube multiply by 1, 3x cube into 1, 3x cube. Now this side is plus, change the sign minus, 3x 4, 3x 4, cut it, 4x cube minus plus 3x cube. 4 में से 3 को माइनस करेंगे, 4 माइनस की नंबर बड़ी है, इसलिए जो वैल्यू आएगी वो माइनस में आएगी. 4x cube 3x cube minus x cube, write down it, minus 3x minus 1. Now minus x cube divided by x, minus x cube upon x equal to minus x square. Minus x square multiply by x into x square minus x cube minus x square into minus 1 minus plus x square into 1 x square minus change the sign plus minus, this one is cancelled, minus x square and this is 3x. Write down it in the order, minus x square minus 3x minus 1, x divided minus x square upon x is equal to minus x. Put here minus x multiply by x minus x square minus x multiply by minus 1 plus x plus minus 30 minus x minus 3x minus 4x minus 1 minus 4x divided by x minus 4x divided by x become minus 4 multiply by x minus 4x minus 4 multiply by minus 1 minus plus, this one is plus 4. 4x cancel, minus 4 minus 1, this is minus 5. This is the method of dividing algebraic function x minus 1 divide 3x4 minus 4x cube minus 3x minus 1. In the exercise, seen the problem are given here, and in exercise 2.2 depend on this example problem. Now second problem is find the remainder when the polynomial px equal to x cube minus 3x square plus 4x plus 50 is divided by x plus 3. Now x plus 3 equal to 0 plus sign goes there in right side, x equal to minus 3. Put value of x in this equation, p minus 3 equal to minus 3 whole cube minus 3 square plus 2 minus 3 plus 15 is equal to minus 3 का cube means minus 3 multiply by 3 times minus 3. Good morning, student of class 9. Today in science vector motion, our topic is graphical representation of motion. मोशन में हम लोग डिस्कस कर चुके हैं डिस्टेंस, टाइम, डिस्प्लेसमेंट, स्पीड और वेलोसिटी के बारे में. आज हम लोग ग्राफ को देखेंगे. ग्राफिकल रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ मोशन. पहले हम बात करेंगे डिस्टेंस टाइम ग्राफ की. डिस्टेंस टाइम ग्राफ में किस टाइप की ग्राफ डिस्टेंस टाइम ग्राफ में एक तरफ में डिस्टेंस लिखा हुआ है, एक तरफ में टाइम लिखा हुआ है। ग्राफ हमको दिख रहा है कि ग्राफ एक स्ट्रेट लाइन शो कर रही है। ग्राफ इज शोइंग ए स्ट्रेट लाइन। दिस मींस दैट if we divided the time in 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, 5 minutes, 6 minutes, and time is here, only distance is covered, only left 10 meter. Then in first minute the body is distance 10 meter, second minute body is 10 meter, third minute body is 10 meter, 4 minute body is 10 meter, 6 minute body is 10 meter. Means if we stay here, तो पहले मिनट में भी हम यहीं पर है, दूसरे मिनट में भी हम यहीं पर है, तीसरे मिनट में भी हम यहीं पर है, चौथे मिनट में भी यहीं पर है। इसका मतलब हम अपनी पोजीशन को चेंज नहीं कर रहे हैं। दिस मीन्स दैट दिस ग्राफ शो पोजीशन ऑफ रेस्ट। दिस इज ग्राफ व्हेन बॉडी इज नॉट चेंजिंग इट्स पोजीशन, दिस मीन्स बॉडी एट रेस्ट। Second is distance time graph when with time distance is changing in equal amount. Means in first minute distance is 10 meter, in second minute distance is 20 meter, in third minute distance is 30 meter. This means that distance time graph shows a uniform velocity. Next is distance time. Distance time, when distance change with time in unequal amount, then this shows non-uniform velocity. Distance time graph shows non-uniform velocity. This means that when body is at rest, it shows a straight line. When body changing distance with equal amount, then this shows uniform, and when distance and time changes in unequal amount, then this shows non-uniform velocity. This is at rest, this is uniform velocity, and this is a non-uniform velocity, and all the graphs are important for your papers. Next is velocity time graph. In velocity time graph, we see here velocity and time. If body does not change its velocity with time, then it is called constant velocity. If the body does not change velocity with time, then it is called constant velocity. Velocity time graph shows acceleration. Here is velocity and here is time. If body changes velocity with time in equal amount, if a body changes its velocity with equal amount, this is called uniform acceleration. If body changes its velocity in equal amount, then it is called uniform acceleration. And in third graph, it is shown retardation. Retardation means velocity is decreasing with time. If velocity is decreasing with time, then it is called retardation. Means if a bus in starting time its velocity is 50 km per hour, and after some time its velocity is decreasing, then it is called retardation. Retardation means velocity is decreasing. Fourth graph, velocity time graph, shows when velocity changes with time in unequal amount. Velocity changes with time in unequal amount, then it is called non-uniform acceleration. यानी कि अगर बॉडी अनइक्वल अमाउंट में उसकी वेलोसिटी चेंज हो रही है टाइम के साथ साथ, तो इस प्रकार की वेलोसिटी को हम बोलेंगे नॉन यूनिफॉर्म एक्सेलरेशन. नॉन यूनिफॉर्म एक्सेलरेशन, व्हाट इज एक्सेलरेशन? चेंज इन वेलोसिटी इज कॉल्ड एक्सेलरेशन. एक्सेलरेशन का मतलब होता है वेलोसिटी में चेंज होना, यानी इनिशियल वेलोसिटी और फाइनल वेलोसिटी में डिफरेंस आएगा, यानी चेंजमेंट आएगा टाइम के साथ साथ, उसको यह बोलते हैं एक्सेलरेशन. This is our today's topic in graph, and all the graph used in numericals. So revise all the graphs in your revision book and copy it. Thank you.